Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the roses are falling. It's you must go and I must bide. But come back when the summer's in the meadow, or when the valley's hushed and white with snow. And I'll be here in sunshine or in a shadow. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so. But when you come and all the roses are falling and I am dead as dead I well may be, you'll come and find the place where I am lying and kneel and say an Ave there for me. And I shall hear the soft you tread above me, and all my griefs shall warmer, sweeter be. For you will bend and tell me that you love me, and I shall sleep in peace until you come to me. Oh, Danny boy,